Okay, so what we basically have here is gold, and I'm looking at gold. First off, let's go to the 1 hour because I feel like that's where it's going to be easier to see what I'm talking about. So what we basically have on gold is we created this high, and then when we came around here, this is when we like broke out of. This is when like we broke out, so we were able to beat this high and trade above this high. So, and it was a significant high, also coming from a lot of highs that were being formed as this market was going to the upside. We came back, tested the significant high, and then now we've just been trying to push up. And what I have is, if you check the 30 minutes, because I'm looking for some buy positions on gold. The best area, like the easiest place to actually be having your buy positions is when we come around this area here. If we are able to trade around these highs and show signs, bullish signs, like signaling that this market is able to actually go ahead and trade above these highs, which are around, I think the highest point we have is like 1997.5 maybe. So just say 19. If you're able to trade above 19975, that's the easiest way. You can actually like try and make money from this gold bullish momentum. But now what I'm going to be doing is, because I've had a very slow day, like I invested a lot of time today in the markets, but it's just been slow. So what I'm looking for is, so I've marked these lows, then I've also marked these highs here, because after going up from this level here that we discussed on the 1 hour, we've seen that the market, okay, it pushed all the way up, and then we've just been consolidating, moving sideways. What I don't want to see happening is, I don't want to see this market trading anywhere below this area here. So I don't want to see the market trading anywhere below 19.75.5. So that's number one. And then another thing that I want to see is something that I want to see, because I don't want it trading lower than this square or this rectangle rather. What I want to see is, I want to see us going ahead and trading around 1983. If I'm able to see those prices today, as the day goes on, then I'll be able to actually execute some buy positions on gold. First of all, targeting 1997, and then if we're able to trade above 19975 as discussed earlier, we can also like look for more positions on gold. The initial entries here, because it's still high risk in the sense that we are still trading we are still trading below this high that was created here. So it's not a low risk entry. We will only be able to execute low risk entries once we trade above this area here. So for now, we're just going to open small positions if this market is able to break above this rectangle that we've created here. Let me just change the color of this one. So yeah, that's gold on the 15-minute time frame. Let me see if I can show you what I have on EURGBP, because we actually have a trade that's running on EURGBP. Like, let's go to the 60, because here what we had is simple ascending trend line. So we know, okay, this is a bullish market, created these good lows at this area here, and then we've just been trying to push up. It's actually a similar setup to what we have on gold, and the same thing applies. The best entries or the low risk entries are above this high here, because we are still trading below a high. So not all factors are on our side now, but we are also able to execute just not as many positions as we can execute on these highs here. So we just took this signal today, and it's just been moving sideways, man. It's slow, but let's just see how it goes, because I don't think this market can come back to this area here. That's why I have my stops just below this area, but we'll see as the day goes, and I'll be sure to update you guys. So that's EURGBP and gold.